For homeowners in Smithtown, New York, protecting your family and property is a top priority. While many people focus on alarm systems and sturdy locks, there's another essential aspect of home security that's often overlooked: proper window installation. Windows are one of the most common entry points for intruders. Even the strongest glass or most advanced locking system can fail to protect your home if your windows aren't installed correctly. That's why expert window installation plays a crucial role in keeping Smithtown homes safe, secure, and energy efficient. Here's how professional window installation enhances your home's security while providing lasting peace of mind. A secure fit that prevents forced entry. The first line of defense against break-ins is the window frame and its fit within the wall opening. Poorly installed windows can leave gaps or weak points that make it easier for intruders to pry them open or force them loose. Professional window installers ensure every window fits perfectly, with no loose edges or uneven gaps. They use precision measurements and secure anchoring methods to reinforce the frame and lock it tightly into place. This snug, reinforced fit makes it much harder for would-be intruders to gain access, keeping your home protected even when you're away. In addition, experts can install reinforced locking systems, such as multi-point locks or keyed latches, which add an extra layer of security compared to standard single-lock systems. Advanced materials for added strength. The security of your windows depends heavily on the materials used, both in the glass and the frame. Professional installers understand which options provide the best protection for Smithtown's coastal and suburban environment, where both weather and safety are considerations. Tempered or laminated glass. These options are far stronger than standard glass and are designed to resist shattering upon impact. Laminated glass, in particular, stays intact even when cracked, preventing easy entry. Reinforced vinyl or fiberglass frames. Unlike older wood frames that can rot or weaken over time, modern materials are durable and difficult to break or warp. Impact-resistant windows. Originally designed for storm protection, these windows double as an excellent security feature against forced entry. A professional installer can recommend the best materials for your home's location, security needs, and design preferences, ensuring you get strength without compromising aesthetics. Proper sealing to eliminate weak spots. A secure window isn't just about the glass or frame, it's also about the seal around it. If windows aren't sealed properly, they can loosen over time, creating small entry points for both air and unwanted guests. Expert installers use professional-grade sealing materials and techniques to ensure your windows remain airtight and watertight. This not only keeps intruders out but also prevents drafts, water leaks, and structural damage caused by moisture infiltration. Over time, this careful sealing enhances both your home's security and its overall efficiency. Integration with smart home security systems. Today's homeowners are increasingly turning to smart technology to improve safety and convenience. Professional installers are familiar with security-integrated windows that can connect to your home's alarm or automation systems. They can ensure that motion sensors, window contact alarms, or glass break detectors are installed correctly and hidden seamlessly within your window design. This integration provides real-time alerts if a window is tampered with, offering an added layer of protection for your Smithtown home. By combining modern windows and smart technology, you gain greater control and peace of mind whether you're home or away. Weather resistance that protects your home. While the focus is often on burglary prevention, expert window installation also protects against natural threats. Smithtown's seasonal changes, from humid summers to cold, windy winters, can wear down poorly installed windows, leading to structural weakness. Professionals ensure your windows are properly insulated and weatherproof to withstand high winds, heavy rain, and temperature fluctuations. This durability helps maintain your home's strength and security in every season. Peace of mind through professional workmanship. Finally, expert installation ensures you don't have to worry about hidden flaws that could compromise safety. Certified installers back their work with warranties and guarantees, giving you confidence that your investment is protected. You're not just getting new windows, you're getting long-term security, efficiency, and comfort from professionals who understand Smithtown homes and their specific needs. Final thoughts: when it comes to protecting your family and property, the difference between vulnerability and safety often comes down to how well your windows are installed. By hiring local Smithtown window installation experts, you ensure every detail, from the frame alignment to the locking mechanisms, is handled with precision and care. The result is a home that's not only beautiful and energy efficient but also strong, secure, and ready to stand up to both weather and unwanted intrusion. If you're considering a window upgrade, make security your priority. With professional installation, your new windows will provide peace of mind and lasting protection for years to come.